Yeah, so if we have to draw the sketch of our question, yeah, so what we are supposed to do, I'm sorry about that, I missed this part. It's supposed to be, we are starting actually with QR. So this is supposed to be Q, then R this side. This is the one that is supposed to be 6 centimeters. It means you're not reading the question with me. No one could correct me. Okay. Then
I wanted to, but I wasn't sure because I did it.
yeah, so this now, the angle at Q here, it's supposed to be 90 degrees, which is this one. We measure 90 degrees here. Then the angle at R, which is this one here, this is supposed to give us 120. Okay, then after that is 120. Then now it means that this RS, this is supposed to be 7 centimeters. And then PQ, it's supposed to be PQ, wherever it is. Let's say P is here. This is supposed to be 10 centimeters. So just join that one there. This is how it's supposed to look like. This is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so now let us do the actual work. Now let us do the actual work. Is that okay? So we do the actual work. I'm going to bring this one here. Okay. So we start with the 6 centimeters. The 6 centimeters. So the 6 centimeters, we do the 6 centimeters. Which one are we using? The same one. The color, go with this one. 6C up to here. No. That is our 6 there. Then after we've done our 6, the next thing that we're supposed to do now is to measure the angles. We are supposed to measure the angles. This angle here is supposed to be 120. Okay. Now we are actually measuring from this side. We are starting from here. From here. Okay. We are starting from this side here. Here. That's where we are starting from here. Okay. Until where we have 120. So we are using the ones that are inside. We're using the ones that are inside in my case. We're using the ones that are inside in my case. So meaning my 120 will be at this point here. That is where my 120 is going to be. Okay? That is where my 120 is going to be. I hope you get that. Then after that, I have now to come and measure this one here, which is 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. Okay. So where is our 90? Our 90 is here. That is where 90 is there. Okay. That is it. Please, if any one of you has a question, you feel free to ask. Then if that is where our 90 is going to be, then now what has remained is that you look at this from R to S. S is here. Sorry about that. From R to S, S is here. From R to S, this is supposed to be 7. So I'm supposed to get now this compass and measure 7 centimeters. So I'll get this compass and bring it on the ruler here and get what? 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. So I'll bring it here. Then I'll do an arc up here. I'll do an arc up here. This one. Okay? That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. After we have done that, we have to get this other one now. So I'll get this one. Now I want to measure this one, which is PQ, which is 10. Okay, that one is 10 there. So now I have to bring it and measure. It's supposed to be 10 centimeters. It's supposed to be 10 centimeters. So just measure 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. So if this is my 10 centimeters here, yeah. So if this is my 10 centimeters here, then I'll get this. I'll now get this, bring it here, up here, then I need to draw an arc here to see where it will pass. Okay, because there are two. So I'll draw that arc there. After I've drawn that arc now, the guidance now is going to come from, I need a line from this point that passes through this point for the angle and touches the distance like that. Because there are two conditions. The angle is 90 degrees. Then the distance from here up there, it's supposed to be, then I'll do the same thing here. It should pass through the 120 and touch this one. That one is for the distance. That one is for the distance. Okay, that one is for the distance. Then the other side there, you will just connect now. Because there is nothing that is given, you will just connect. This is how your shape is supposed to look, ladies and I don't think we have a gentleman in this class tonight. So it's just you ladies. So huh? This is 7. This is this is 6 centimeters. This one here is 90. This one here is 120. This one here is 10 centimeters. This is our P. This is our S. Yes, Madam Ada, are we together?
Sir,
Yep.
I think I'm behind in terms of measuring these angles. How did you measure them?
Yeah, but at this point, did you have to wait up to this point? Like we should have redone the process. So like this one, how we measured, I just got, this is the compass here. This is the protractor, sorry. So I just brought this, if you see this 90 degrees that is at the middle, that's the one that I put here. Yeah, that's the one that I put here. Then I started from this side where there is 90 degrees, from the 0. If you look closely, I'm starting from the inner digits here, or the inner degrees, from 0, 10, 10, 10, up to 120 there. You get that? Or you didn't?
Yes.
Yeah, then I moved it to this one. It's the same process. I just put this, got 90 degrees there. That's all. Is that okay?
It's fine.
I hope so. Then now, when it comes to what we have inside, these are locuses that we did yesterday. So just pay attention. Just pay attention here.
Like that.
R is, then the first
20.
one is 8 centimeters from R. This is the only one that was missing yesterday. The first one is what was missing yesterday. What we had yesterday was like from another line, like maybe 8 centimeters from so what we need to do in this case, please just look at, if you actually look at the first two questions, they should be enough to do everything for you. So this was our Q, sorry. This is like our Q here, and then this is our R. So here, when they are saying 8 centimeters from R, this is what you need to do. You get your compass. You get your compass.
Sir, have you already measured the size of angle PQS?
Oh, I missed that one. Just a minute. Oh, the question was if I have measured the angle there. No. I think I missed that one, madam. Now, can you measure the angle and tell me your answers? Thank you for that. Who spotted that? Please, you should be the first one to give us the answer. Let's measure that one. Let's measure that one.
I was not in a class yesterday, so I don't know how you measured the angle. That's why I asked.
Oh, okay, don't worry. Have we measured the angle? Who has measured the angle and what is the answer?
I measured it and
What are you getting?
it gave me about 87, I think. 87.
No,
Can you prove?
it looks smaller than that. Let's see how it goes. It looks smaller than...
70.
Let's see. I don't know where you started from, but it actually doesn't matter. It can be like this. Yeah. So it's supposed to be 70. If you look at mine, it's supposed to be
Yes,
70.
it's 70.
Yeah. 70 in that we are starting from here. So just see, make the adjustment, Madam Ada. So we are starting from this side. This is where we have our 0,
Yeah.
10, 20,
I got
30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 here. We are
Yeah.
starting from
I
this side,
know.
coming this
I've
side.
noticed
Yeah.
my.
Okay, no problem. So that is what we are supposed to do there. So this is supposed to be 70 there. Please don't forget to measure and write that. That is very important in your exam. Yeah. So measure and write. Oh. Measure and write. So we have agreed that this one is what? 70. Yeah. Then we go back to the question. What are we supposed to do now? We're supposed to do 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters from what? From R. 8 centimeters from R. Please let us get 8 centimeters, all of us, from our 8 centimeters. So for me, I will have to do the 8 centimeters here. 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 8. This is my 8 centimeters. Okay. So this is my 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeters from R. That is 8 centimeters. What? Look, it says draw the locus out within. Okay, within. So we need to start the drawing. We'll start from here. Like this. That is what you are supposed to do there. That is what you are supposed. That is 8 centimeters. Was it 8? 8 centimeters from R. That is 8 centimeters from R within the triangle. I hope Madam Jane, getting this one.
Yes, I've drawn.
Then the other two, the last two or the other two, we did this yesterday. Now, if I can deal with this one first, this region here, which region is less than 8 centimeters from R and which one is greater than? The one where there is an A, it's less than, which is below, so it is less than. Where there is a B, that is greater than because it's above. That's clear, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Then now we agreed that we need to bisect equidistance from R and S. Equidistance from R and S, we need to bisect this angle. I mean, this line, which is RS. We need to bisect this line, which is RS. So what we agreed is that you need to have a compass. This compass, extend it to more than half this line. Let it to be more than half. Okay, that's what we agreed. It has to be more than half. Okay, it has to be more than half. So when it is more than half, you draw an arc this side and also down this side. That's what we agreed. Okay, that's what we agreed. So you have to be very careful. So I'm going to draw this arc. Okay. Then just a minute. Let me just be sure of the measurement. That was so then we also draw another one here. We also draw another one here, like this. Okay. When you draw that, then just get this one. You bring it here and repeat the process. Okay. Don't change anything. You cut here, extend it, bring this side, also cut there. That is what we said, isn't it? Yeah. Then after that, we want a line. The line that connects these two places, like this one. And the line should be inside the triangle. So the one which is outside here is really not our business. You could actually get rid of this whole part here. We don't want it. Or since you will be drawing it, not the way I'm doing it, going outside, you can have a dotted line. You can have it dotted outside because the question is very strict or very specific. Okay, directive. It actually says within. Yeah, maybe that. Then the other one, what did we say, Madam Ada? The other one, the third one, do you remember what we said? Do you want to try? Equidistance from PS and the RS. Anyone? Hello?
Is it not the same measurement that you did for P and S?
No. It's different. In fact, this was like the first one that we dealt with yesterday. Let me check the people that are here. Mr. Richard, what are we supposed to do?
I'm still trying to
Figure it
solve
out.
that.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Chipo, you were here yesterday. And the Ruendo. What are we supposed to do?
Let me try some.
Go
Maybe we
ahead.
look for a common letter. Yes. Maybe we look for a common letter. Like here it said equidistance from PS and the RS, which means we go to S and then make take a small measurement, and then we make some arc there on both lines, this side and that side.
Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do. That's what we're supposed to do. Just that. So, which one is the common letter?
S.
So S is the common letter here. So don't forget that we need to bisect the angle at that common letter. We need to bisect the angle at that common letter. That's what we said, isn't it? We bisect the angle at that common letter there. Okay? So these other arcs, like here we have only done two. We've only done two, and those are the ones you're supposed to pay attention to. So let's do this other one now. And how did I say we do that one? I said there are no measurements when you are bisecting an angle. You just get this one, you bring it here. Okay? You just get this one, you bring it here. You put this one here. Yeah. Then you look at, you do the arcs. That's what we said. You do an arc on you do an arc this side here, and then we said you also do an arc on the other side here. The other side you also do an arc like this. Then now you get this. You get this. You adjust it now. You can adjust it, then move it now. Use these arcs now. Use these two arcs, the ones that we have done. Use these two arcs. Okay, use these two arcs. One is here. Use these two arcs now to draw different arcs inside here where you think they will meet. Okay, you have to draw. So like at this point, I am going to say this one is my arc here. So then I'll carry this now, change and use this other one here. And then I'll bring this one down. I'm interested just to see where it will cut this other one here. Okay, where is it going to cut the other one? They will cut here. Yeah, just there where they cut there. If you want, we can bring this one back this side and extend it a bit, just like that. That is where they meet. And then after that, then now we are going to have we're supposed to have a straight line here. We're supposed to have a straight line here. Okay. Now, I don't know how I'm going to draw a straight line. What could have happened this side? So, the straight line. So you draw a straight line which has to start from this point, like this, up to here. So if you are looking at the lines that we are interested in here, there are three. The one that is in yellow, the blue one, light blue, and the red one. Those are the ones that we are looking at. So for the yellow, there is a region that is greater than 8 centimeters from B, and then there's another region that is greater than, that is less than. And then for the blue, the blue one, okay? The blue one, for the blue one, I can't find my pen. So for the blue one anyway, we are looking at R and S. So this region that is below, it is closer to R than S. Then the one that is above, it is closer to the other side there, which is S, okay? Than this one that I said here, the below one. Just let me just try to find my pen. Okay, yeah, I'm back. So what I was trying to say is, if we are looking at this one, the one that we did here, this one, this region here, it is closer to R than S, the other side. But this one here, it is closer to S than R, okay? Then when it comes to this one that we did in red, this one, this region that is below here, we actually say it is closer to SR than SP. But if we are looking to this one that is up there, we say it is closer to SP than SR. That's what we say. That's what we say. That's what we say. Okay. So let us go and read the question. Let us read the question, all of us. Okay, so I think we're going to have another meeting before you write your exam for this topic, where we'll do 2 questions, a triangle and this particular one. I think I won't be able to do another question because I have a session at 21 hours where I'm supposed to be the one now learning. Yeah, someone has to help me with the research. There's a part I'm not very sure. So we agreed to meet at 21. Yeah. So I know I'm not convinced that maybe people have really gotten the concept fully. And this is an 8 marks question. So we can have another meeting before we write where we'll do 2, or Mr. Piri, I think he's about to finish his exam, so he can do many questions on this. Yeah, so if I can give these regions, if I can give them the names, I'm going to say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Read the question and tell me the region that you think we are supposed to shade. Are we reading the question?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone?
Maybe it's C.
Another person?
I'm thinking of E.
So X blah, 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 is such that it is less than or equal to. So already we know that D is out. Isn't it?
Yes.
Then nearer to S than R. Nearer to S than R. Which 2 letters are eliminated there?
E and A.
E and A are eliminated because we want those that are closer to S, which is B and C. So we are only remaining with B and C now. Then next, nearer to what? Nearer to PS than RS. Between B and C, which one is nearer to PS?
C.
C. I got it.
Yeah. So we actually need C. C is the region that we are supposed to shade here. C is the region that we are supposed to shade here. Yeah. C is the region that you needed to shade here. This one. This is what you were supposed to shade. So I'm about to end this class. If any one of us has a question, you do so. I'm going to, at the same time, I'm going to share the videos on all these. I'm sure now I've given you a clue, so you'll be able to attempt those questions and they'll make more sense. Yeah. After you have shaded this region, it's very important to indicate the letter there. I think this one is not very clear. But let's try ready. We need to indicate the letter to show that this is where it should be. Yeah, any question? Thank you very much for coming. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Let's see. Tomorrow we are supposed to meet, isn't it? Tomorrow is Sunday. Yeah, there's a class that we'll meet tomorrow. Okay.